honestly, today's location is pretty crazy to kick things off. So this is obviously location number 1 of 4. We have 4 locations to get to today. Huge team. Police on our side. This should be a good freaking day. Righto guys, so today I'm not driving. I'm just going to be showing you guys behind the scenes, I guess. We have, so the Brazilians are all rolled in. We got Fakata from Japan, who's a former drift judge. Here he is here, strutting. Then we have Steve, Fausto's brother. Then we have 3 Rocks and Igor, big YouTuber. So Igor has 1.3 million subscribers. And he just vlogs off his phone too, so yeah. So the 3 cars are going to be using the E30. I don't know why Messmer's name's on that because he's not here till tomorrow. So that was the car that I was driving. It's all fixed now. The Ackerman looks very much so on the piss. So it should be good. And then the S14 at the back. This is a new car. Left-hand drive 2, I think. Okay, so we're over in the square that they're going to be drifting. So obviously this is another like war memorial. There's a massive park in there. They're either going to be drifting in this section or probably around the giant flag over here. This is insane. Look at this place. Oh yeah, okay. They're definitely going to be drifting around this whole square. Just block off a like war memorial spot. Should be right. It's going to be a very big day, guys. Insane day. This is just nuts. I'm excited to watch. Very excited to watch. Ooh, Jay-Z.
Oh, yeah. No.
It's at 30. That's funny as. It's obviously wise for interesting shocks. Left-hand side? Yeah, left-hand drive. Woo! Damn. Rightio, so behind the scenes, you got your dunny and like a change room, and then all the grub. Breakfast, coffee, energy drinks, cookies, fruit, tea, and it's right next door to all the filming out here. Alright, we're about to fire up. There's only going to be 2 drivers, I think 2 foreign drivers, sorry, today only. The rest are going to be all the Belarusian dudes. So I think they're going to use this as like a warm-up area, and then they'll get straight into it. Right, so the guys are getting used to the left-hand drive. They've been lucky enough to get a test pad, so it's pretty damn good they got a test pad here. We didn't have one when we were doing it. He's doing good. Righto, so the guys have just done some testing over there. I've just gone for a bit of a stroll because the architecture here is like, it's just insane. People are starting to follow me down here now. So it must be filming down this street or something. I don't know what's happening. Well, I'm glad I walked down here now. The camera crew's setting up. It should be good, huh? So yeah, obviously they're gonna start the filming down here. It's pretty crazy because I'm not interfering and trying to figure out what's happening. I'm just going with the flow because obviously I'm not driving. So yeah, I'm glad I walked down here now. This is freaking insane. Look at the freaking buildings. God, it looks good. Black box of coffee. I can hear the cars idling. They must be around here somewhere. I feel like they're going to come flying out of this road. That camera's going to shoot them as well. And then this dude up here is filming. Okay, I think we figured it out. They're going to come, whoop, they're going to come from that road, maybe down to that way. This should be interesting. So we're waiting for the next scene. But look at how the roads are here. It's like old school as. Not out there, obviously, what they're drifting on, but... And then also up there, that's an actual paid actress that's going to be like... Oh, there's my pilot, driver. Serious camera gear. Steve! Oh, Jesus. He's only a little bit offline. Jesus Christ. It's because left-hand drive, it's not that easy. I think it's his first time ever too, so... It's just so surreal. Freaking crazy. I have no idea what he's saying, but Steve left freaking mess here. I think they're doing another shoot out the front here. They're gonna like, yeah, do some crazy drifting around here. And then we got to move to another location and then another one. I think I've explained that already. But just so surreal, surrounded by so many good people. It's just, I don't know, it's kind of like a breath of fresh air because everyone here is working together, not against each other. Freaking love this place. Oh, and while we're on the topic of how good this place is, there's something in the water because the women are freaking gorgeous. Like, most countries you get a few here and there, but here it's like just insane. Like everyone. Main base is back behind that fence, and Max is like, let's go have a quick walk through here because it's freaking insanely beautiful. Look at this. So Max is giving me a tour of this palace, but you're not allowed to film in here, so you guys can't come along, sorry. This is someone's freaking house. Was. It's a palace. Holy crap. It is like a museum. So we need to get back and see the boys run amok. Thanks, Max. Oh my God, it's insane. Definitely not going to be able to see what's going on, but anyway, everything's all blocked off. And the madness is about to begin. We had to quickly run over here because TV interviews.
So what's your name?
Yeah, I'm Jack Jones. I'm an Australian professional driver. That was awesome. Thank you, bro. I didn't really fit in there because my legs were hitting the steering. Yeah, my legs were hitting the steering wheel. You can't see in there, but and the sequential was like really far back. Felt very strange. But massive thank you to him. I'd love to really push this car at a big track. It'd be incredible. Such a well-built car. Thank you, brother. Oh, it is too. That's the castle we were at the other day. Crazy.
Nesish and Kosovo.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Huh. Well, this is a first. I've never signed a freaking franger before. Oh, stay in school, huh? Jesus Christ. You guys have got a problem with this. I think it's the timing or something. Good?
Yeah, everything good.
Oh, good job. Good job, bro.
This guy built my car in this winter. 5 months.
Jesus.
From zero.
Nothing. From nothing. From nothing.
5 months.
Disgrace. I never think it
This is
have
possible.
this
Yep.
possible.
Yeah, 100%. And now we're back at the palace that we had the tour in. And we're just going to do the final scene here. Okay, battery is about to die. But something big is about to happen here, and there's a lot of freaking people here. So apparently the governor is coming. So we're getting ready for that, and I need to pee. Probably going to be a wrap from today, guys. All over the place, but yeah, it's just been another insane freaking day in Belarus. I'm probably going to cut to some random footage now. Enjoy. Hey, buddy.
Antenna sotовый сигнал. Мобил антенна.
Antenna. Circus?
Театр, да?
What?
Нет?
Oh my god, there's an army tank. What is that for?
Money, money, money. Казино.
Oh, thank you.
Belarus one.
Very delicious. Okay, so you would have seen the short snippet of us getting introduced into the city and the hotel. Freaking insane. Anyway, this is what they gave us as gifts. Big freaking meat pack. Freaking wish I ate meat. Like, I bet you this stuff tasted freaking amazing. Oh, the big loaf of bread, which they said I can take with me. A belt. I actually needed a new belt, so that's turned out real freaking handy. That is a big chunk of cheese. And that was our welcome home gift. And this hotel is freaking... is good. Very, very good. Look at this. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow on the next crazy adventure here in Belarus.